So now let us discuss the question number 71. Okay, hydrocarbon C6H6 decolors the bromine water and gives a precipitate of ammonical AgNO3. Okay, so hydrocarbon can be, so here C6H6 which has unsaturated compounds. Okay, so here this hydrocarbon which does, they are not terminal carbons, right? So the answer is none. Now let us discuss the question number 72. So which of the following is not used in Friedel-Crafts reaction? Okay, so this benzene can undergo Friedel-Crafts reaction, chlorobenzene, bromobenzene, so they all undergoes Friedel-Crafts reaction. This phenyl acetylene, okay, so this compound will not undergo any Friedel-Crafts reaction. Phenyl acetanilide. Now let us discuss the question number 73, which is represents the which is represented by the formula. So the formula is CnH2n minus 2. CnH2n plus 2, which is called as alkane, right? So this CnH2n is called as alkene. Sorry. So this CnH2n minus 2 is called as alkyne. So the answer is alkyne. Now the question number 74. Which are the following fractions of petroleum refining contains kerosene the boiling point which ranges to? The boiling point range which is 200 to 300 degrees Celsius, which already we seen in that class. Okay. So here the question number 75. So acetylene gives. So acetylene it's a, when it reacts with the acetylene which reacts with AgNO3 very easily we already seen. So here the answer is 2. White precipitate with AgNO3 and red precipitate with Cu2Cl2. Okay, so this is the answer. Now the question number 76. Benzene is obtained by the polymerization reaction of. So see this one, acetylene. So C triple bond C H. Okay. So take 3 moles of acetylene. H C. Now H C, which undergoes the polymerization reaction. This particular one single electron, this one electron gets shifts here. This is the polymerization reaction. Okay. So this one electron, here one electron will get shifts here. So here you got the structure like. So you will get a double bond here, and here it is a single bond. Okay. So here the double bond, again here is the single bond. So the structure is. So the benzene can be prepared by the polymerization of acetylene. Right. Now the question number 77. So here 1 chloropropane and 2 chloropropane when treated with alcohol. Okay. So here the reason is, so when you take one propene CH double bond CH2. So here we can prepare 1 chloropropane as well as 2 chloropropane. When it reacts with HCl, it is anti-Markovnikov rule. Okay, we can prepare 2 chloropropane. When it reacts with the HCl in the presence of H2O2, it forms 1 chloropropane. So here the starting material which is propene. 1 propene is the right answer. Now the question number 78. The chemical compound formed by passing ethylene gas into cold alkaline KMnO4. So we already discussed in our class CH2 double bond CH2. So KMnO4 which acts as very good oxidizing agent. It forms CH2OH single bond CH2OH. Is called as ethylene glycol. So when the unsaturated compound convert into saturated compound. So here this color when it reacts with KMNO4, we already discussed in D and F block elements also. So here this color, this KMnO4 color is pink. Okay, so this KMnO4 is a colorless here. So due to this reason means when this unsaturated compound converts into saturated compound. Okay, so this is the answer. Now the question number 79. Okay, so acetylene passed into dilute sulfuric acid. So see this acetylene. So HC triple bond CH. So acetylene reacts with in the presence of mercuric acid. Okay, so in the presence of mercury, in the presence of acid, Hg2 plus and H2SO4. So it gives H plus and it gives OH minus. So CH2 double bond CH single bond OH, right? So these are enol structure. So which gets converts into CH3 CHO, right? So when acetylene reacts with Hg2 plus in the presence of acid, it gives acetaldehyde. Okay. Now the question number 80. So conjugate double bonds are present in butadiene is the right answer. So see this one, CH2 double bond CH single bond CH double bond CH2. So it has alternative single bonds and double bonds. Okay, so single bond, double bond, and single. So here see this one. So butadiene, right? Yes. So this has already single and double bonds. So here the answer is question number 80. Answer is 1. Now let us discuss the question number 81. So see this one. So now see this question number 81. Conjugate double bond is present in. Okay, the question number 81 answer is butadiene answer. Now the question number 82. So here which of the correct decreasing reactivity on monobromination? So when the following compounds, okay, these compounds which is present in toluene, benzoic acid, CH6 and nitrobenzene. Okay, so which is more monochlorination will occur? So which has the terminal carbon which has hydrogen. Okay, so here this toluene has more monochlorination will occur. After this CCH6. So the answer is here we can able to find out the answer. So one has more monochlorination. After this 3. So the options here the given option 2 is not right answer. 3 also not right answer. Here 4 also. So the answer is 1. Okay, so answer 1. So 1 as greater than 3 than 2 than 1. Okay, so this toluene which has more chlorination will occur. Okay, now the question number 83. So the question which are the following shows linear. So the linear means it should have sp hybridized, right? So in the case of acetylene, HC triple bond CH. So this particular carbon has 1 sigma and here 2 sigma bonds, which is called as sp hybridized. So it is linear structure. Okay. Now the question number 84. So here the preparation of ethane by electrolysis of aqueous solution of K2 potassium acetate, right? So it's called as Kolb's reaction. We already discussed in our class. It's called as Kolb's reaction. Now the question number 85. A petroleum fraction of the boiling point range 70 to 200 degrees Celsius containing 6 to 10 carbons. So they are called as they are called as gasoline. So question number 84, the answer is 1, Kolb's reaction. Now the question number 85, so the answer is gasoline. Now the question number 86, a salt producing hydrocarbon among the compounds. So here a salt producing hydrocarbons among these compounds. So here alkyne, okay, for example, reacts with silver nitrate, it forms a salt, right? So HC triple bond C single bond Ag, it forms a silver salt. Okay, so this alkyne will produce a silver salt. Now the question number 87. So which of the following will undergo meta substitution on monochlorination? Okay. So this ethyl benzoate, see this one. So this one which acts as meta-adding groups because of there is no lone pair of electrons are there. Okay, so which doesn't undergo resonance. So because of there is no lone pair of electron which shifts to electrons to this benzene group. Okay, so if it is minus, if it is a plus minus M group means it is a meta-adding group. Okay, so here so in this case, so this 2 is the right answer. Now the question number 88. So here the reaction which gives in the presence of HB or the presence of peroxide. So CH3 double bond CH2. It reacts with HBr. So when it attaches with the unsaturated compound, carbon double bond carbon. So this in the presence of peroxide. Okay, in the presence of peroxide. So here these carbon which has more number of hydrogens. For example, this is the compound CH3C single bond CH3 H single bond CH2 Br. Now the question number 89. So nitration of benzene is a electrophilic displacement reaction. Okay, so it's a electrophilic displacement reaction. Now the question number 90. So which is the isopropyl alcohol on reacting with reacting with the alkenes with concentrated sulfuric acid in the and H2O. So here isopropyl alcohol, when you take this one CH3C single bond CH. Okay, so it gives this OH, right? So 2 propanol. Okay, which is called as isopropyl alcohol. So see this one CH3 C single bond CH3 single bond OH single bond H. Okay, so I hope so this session is clear for you. So if you have any doubts, so please give a comment. Otherwise you can text me. I will give you more information to you. Okay, so thank you very much.